we have some nice updates for all of you, and especially in terms of base. So with that said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. We jump straight into the laptop, and the first thing, as you see here, is that I am on the base app. So if you want to come and join me on the base app, let me know in the comments below, or come and comment my post over on Twitter. As soon as I have some available invites, I will make sure to send it to all of you. And it is one of the most important step in my opinion. I also left the base app link on the post in case you want to come and be part of me, become with me and start growing on the base app with me. This is going to be one of the requirements for the base airdrop, at least for a vast majority of the allocations. So I will leave the link down below. It is an invite only one, so make sure to come and join, as it is really good. Next up, we also have the possibility to go and claim your Nansen X Moonbird SBT now, which is for all of you that use the Nansen app. If you're a point holder, Green Ice North Star tires, and all Moonbirds Miracle or Odys holders, one per NFT, simply go over here, connect your wallet. You can connect your EVM, your MetaMask, your Phantom, whichever one you want, and we simply go and connect it, for example, with the EVM wallet over here. Click on connect, and if you are part of it, and if this is connect to your Nansen wallet, or you do have a Moonbird NFT, which we're going to be getting one very soon in this video, you're able to go and simply check over here if you can claim it or not. So all you gotta do, as we see here, is to go and claim it. You can get this one, or simply you can go and claim the other one. As we see here, we do have a few unlocked. As we see here, I am a green badge holder, ice badge holder. This one is for the moon badge. So simply go and connect and get all of the one you have. Simply click on confirm over here. And you cannot buy the token, you could switch to the Solana to continue. So all you gotta do is simply go and connect as well, or simply disconnect your wallet over here if you do my mistake, and connect your Solana wallet, in this case the Phantom wallet, over on Solana, and check if you are eligible for it or not, or simply go on your MetaMask wallet over on Solana, which could be the reason why, but I'm not gonna stress you with this. You understood. Simply go and claim it. Next up, we have the Allora airdrop to go and claim, as we do have it right here. The link will be down below. You can go with your Kepler wallet, of which I am not eligible because I do not use the Kepler wallet much. But if you are into the Dimension ecosystem, into the TA ecosystem, into any of those ecosystems, then you could be eligible for this airdrop. So make sure to go and check. It's going to be probably peanuts. It's not going to be much. Simply click on check eligibility over here. Both, it also will come, and it is available to go and check if you are a Kaito Yapper as well. Simply go over to Kaito, click accept and continue. Do all of the things you gotta do. You connect your X account, and again, one of all these connection things, and simply go and do it. Very easy, super simple. Let me know your allocation down below. We also have the free Arbitrum NFT by Arbitrum over here, which is a collection to go and celebrate their partnership with A-Chain. And I would suggest you to go and claim this NFT. As you see here, I already have mine. If I connect my MetaMask wallet over here, simply go and connect it, and I already have mine. Now you can go and connect others. Absolutely, yes. You're able to go and claim anyone that you want, whether you want it on the Solana ecosystem or whatever. And in terms of floor price, is about 0.0738, which it is, less than a cent, but it costs you less than a cent to go and grab it. So simply make sure to keep it and hold it, and let's see what this is going to be for in the future. We also have the Moonbirds SBT over on CoinGecko. This is a partnership for all of the CoinGecko users. As we see here, that has released a new SBT in partnership with Moonbirds. And as we see here, I do already have it. Simply claim your Moonbird Soulbound NFTs. You will be redirected over here. I am connected. I am verified. This is my wallet once again. Simply connect your wallet. This is the CoinGecko. And I have been assigned the badge. And once we are over here, simply click on claim one now, and you are good to go and claim it. Now, I've already claimed it, so this one doesn't allow me to go and do it, but I personally have already gone and claimed it, so you cannot claim more than one, and this is for everybody. As well as in 2 days, the Aster Airdrop Season 2, as we see here, is going to come to an end, so make sure to go and participate. Make sure to go and check out your Aster allocation. Simply go to the Aster link down below and come over here to the airdrop page, switch network, and go and check if you're eligible for Aster. But talking about Aster as well, over here, which I am part of it, I do hold still the Aster token. Absolutely yes. Make sure to go and check your portfolio, because you could have some rewards. As we see here, I do have some perpetual rewards. The link will be down below to go and join, and we are still earning points for the airdrop. Now here we go. The season 4, stage 4 of the airdrop, we are ranking below 10,000, which is actually really good. and make sure to go and grab yours as well, which is very important. Another one that I do recommend you to go and farm as an airdrop, and I want to keep this at the end of the video, is the gravity airdrop right here. Now this is the airdrop which I am mostly looking forward to. I do have a few positions open, and I do receive the points on a weekly basis depending on the trading volume as well as the open interest volume, because also open interest, which basically means keep position open, it does give you an airdrop allocation. And this is why, if we go and see it right here, gravity is above $1 billion on a daily basis in terms of volume, which is really nice. And I do believe that they're going to be launching between 50 cents to $1. They got a 1 billion total supply. I would expect it to launch at a $1 billion fully derivative value. Absolutely yes, because the time and space in this crypto market right now is going absolutely crazy for these type of things. But with that said, guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. It was quick, it was easy. Let me know if you do like and you do prefer this type of videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Ciao, guys.